Imagine you're a project manager, drowning in a sea of tasks, emails, and deadlines. You need a tool that can help you organize, collaborate, and track progress efficiently. That's where Asana comes in. But here's the burning question. Is Asana a free tool? You've probably heard of Asana, but is it really worth the investment? Let's dive into the details and find out if Asana is a free tool or if there's a catch. Understanding Asana's pricing model. Asana offers a tiered pricing structure. The basic plan is free, but it comes with certain limitations. The premium and business plans offer more advanced features and capabilities. Free plan features. Let's break down what you can do with the free Asana plan. You can create projects, tasks, and subtasks. You can assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add comments. You can also integrate with popular tools like Google Calendar and Gmail. While the free plan is a great starting point, it may not be enough for larger teams or those with complex projects. For example, you won't have access to advanced features like custom fields, time tracking, and automation. Premium and business plans. If you need more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the premium or business plan. These plans offer features like custom fields, time tracking, advanced reporting, and more. They also come with increased storage and team member limits. The premium plan is suitable for small to medium-sized teams, while the business plan is designed for larger organizations with complex workflows. Cost comparison. Now let's talk about the cost. The premium plan starts at $10.99 per user per month, while the business plan starts at $24.99 per user per month. However, Asana offers discounts for annual subscriptions. To give you a better idea of the cost, let's compare Asana to other popular project management tools. While Asana may be slightly more expensive than some free alternatives, it offers a comprehensive set of features and a user-friendly interface. Is Asana worth the cost? Ultimately, whether Asana is worth the cost depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a small team with basic project management needs, the free plan may be sufficient. However, if you need more advanced features or have a larger team, the premium or business plan may be a better investment. Here are some factors to consider when deciding whether to upgrade to a paid plan. Team size. If you have a large team, the free plan may not be able to handle your workload. Project complexity. If your projects are complex, you may need advanced features like custom fields and time tracking. Integration needs. If you need to integrate Asana with other tools, consider the available integrations in each plan. Budget. Of course, your budget will also play a role in your decision. So, is Asana a free tool? Yes, it is. But the free plan comes with limitations. If you need more advanced features or have a larger team, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Ultimately, whether Asana is worth the cost depends on your specific needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.